but cry on my shoulder. Enigmatic, but I'm still thinking of you. Maybe I'm overreacting to this whole thing, being too dramatic, overthinking, getting myself worked up over nothing. But baby, you said it's over, but cry on my shoulder. Enigmatic, but I'm still thinking of you. On the car ride home, staring at my phone, still invested, but I know you said we fell in love.
Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to another productive vlog. Like I just said, today is a very busy, productive day. I've already got my morning started. It's currently 9:30 a.m. so had a little bit of a slower morning, but now it's kind of go time. I have some clients to train this morning, and then I also am packaging up some Cerise Dawn orders that came in. We actually got our first international order to Australia. I'm so excited because all of our orders so far have just been North America, have been Canada and the States, but we got our first Australia order last night for Cerise Dawn, and this girl ordered a full set, so I'm so excited to package that up for her, and then the other orders as well. But other than that, I have some errands to go out to do today. I'm going out to the office as well. But yeah, overall it's just a really busy, productive day. I'm actually going to sit down right now and plan out my to-do list. Currently I'm just doing my little big to-do list on the computer, and then I do my daily to-do list in my journal. If you guys follow my TikTok, you'll know I have this notebook here that I do kind of my daily journal and to-do lists and like things I can improve on, etc, etc in there. But then on my computer I do like my big to-do lists and tasks for both the week and the day. So that's what I'm going to plan out right now, and then I'm going to pack up some orders before I have some clients to train. For breakfast, I just have a half-eaten fruit bowl, but like it's my usual mango banana with skyr, honey, cinnamon, cacao nibs, coconut, the whole shebang. And then my matcha latte, it was with oat milk this morning. Yum! So, to-do list time. I've cleaned off my desk since I finished school, and this is now my little packaging table. So I have this big space, and then my little label printer here for when I package up all the Cerise Dawn orders. It's just a nice big area. But yeah, I'm going to package up the orders that came in last night so I can ship them out today.
I see you from across the room. I don't know what to say to you. I don't think I can avoid you all night. I can't stand this place no more, but I'm still here, don't know what for. You know that I've been waiting all night. I can't get used to letting you go, I hope you know that.
Alright, so I just got changed into some clothes other than my loungewear set because I'm done training clients for the day, so I'm actually going to go out now and run my errands. I have to do grocery shopping, drop off all the Cerise Dawn packages, and then pick up some other things. So this is the look, but I will catch up with you guys when I get back because, like I said, I'm gonna go do my errands now. And I'm just wearing this vintage YSL top with my Garage jean shorts. I literally love these shorts so much. Ana Luisa earrings, and then Mejuri. I feel like I need to start doing more details of like the outfits that I'm wearing because I always show my outfit, but I never tell you guys like where the stuff is from, and I always get questions. So, well, I'm gonna start doing that, and then like if I can link the things, they'll be linked in the description box. But I am heading out now to go run my errands, and then the plan for the rest of the day, once I get back, I have a little bit of time before I have to head out to the office, and then that'll kind of like end my day, and I'm just gonna have like a chill evening. So what? Okay, I'm sorry. Literally, my boyfriend's just texted me. He just sent me he just sent me a Nicki Minaj song and said, since you like listening to Nicki Minaj when you work out, it's fire. Nuff said, BB. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, anyways, I I just got this giant package in from Nuda Beauty. They're a Canadian like self-tan company, so I thought we'd do a little unboxing. Already the packaging looks so cute. Like the outside they have this clear branded tape, but let's do a little unboxing. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can do this standing up. You know what? I can do this. Packaging peanuts. Oh my gosh, this is stunning. Holy crap. Okay, you guys are gonna need to, once I unwrap it all, oh my goodness. Okay, so they sent me their classic face tanning mist water, which I've been really wanting to try out, so I'm really excited to try this out. And then they also sent over their new self-tanning mousse. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a better look at this. But we are gonna have a self-care tanning night tonight. Okay, how cute is this? So it just says Ready, Set, Glow, and then this is what it looks like. I think that's chocolate. Oh my gosh. Okay, so they have like a little before white chocolate, and then after like this dark brown chocolate, and then just the tanning mitt, and then the foaming self-tanner. Okay. I'm so excited to try this out because it's still in that kind of like in-between season where I'm still pretty pale, but I don't want to just sit out in the sun and burn, and I still want a bit of color because it's warm enough to wear like shorts and dresses. So, but yeah, hopefully it gives me a nice base and a nice like tanned glow.
Don't wanna go nowhere 'cause I need you in my life. Oh, I need you by my side, yeah. We can go somewhere to be alone on our own. If you want, I can show you just how much I need you in my life. Oh, I need you.
Currently, we're just going for a little drive, actually going to the office. So currently I'm working kind of part-time at a personal trainer online company, and so I'm just going into the office today for a quick meeting with my boss. Yeah, that's what we're doing, and I always throw on Boom 97.3, 70s, 80s, and 90s. You guys already know that's my like go-to radio station. So, yeah. Alright, so I just got to the office. So you guys can meet my boss and then kind of his boss as well. So say hi, guys.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys?
Josh, and then Amar back there. So he actually runs Aviti, the protein company. If you guys are from Toronto, you might have heard of it, you might know it. But yeah, so I'm just doing some work in the office today, and then we'll have a quick meeting. But that's currently what's up. Alright, I just finished up at the office. We had a great day today. We nailed out so much. We're working on currently a program. We're currently working on a big training program, and it's been so much fun to get back into like the fitness industry and everything. I told you guys a little while ago that I started doing online training, online personal training, and so this is kind of like the other half of it is I work with and for a training company right now. It's just been kind of like part-time stuff here and there, but we're working on building this big training program for the summer, and I'm really excited for it. And so we just had a bunch of like meetings and planning and stuff today, and oh, I love it. It's been so great, but I'm heading home now. All right, it is self-tan time. So I'm just wearing this little bra top, and then I have some really loose shorts on. But I'm gonna take off my makeup and do the face tanning water after I do my full body tan with the mousse. I am so happy to have a mitt now, because whenever I did self-tan before, I didn't have a mitt, so I'm really excited to have this now. And also, let's just take, I know we already acknowledged the packaging, but like, she's stunning. Anyways, let's just get started.
It's just how it goes. It's hard to move on when you hold my clothes. Picture you, baby, with somebody else. It's killing me softly. I can't help myself. Tell me, oh, you tell me, babe. I should be less reckless with my feelings. I should be more careful who I'm kissing. My insecurities just unappealing, but baby, you over, but cry on my shoulder. Enigmatic, but I'm still thinking of you on the car ride home. Staring at my phone, still invested, but I know you said we fell in love, boy. This just
Alright, I just finished application and oh my goodness, I feel like a tanned, glowing goddess. Like, I forgot how much I love self-tan, but now I just have to wait, I think it said at least 6 hours. Yeah, so I have to wait at least 6 hours before rinsing it off, and then I'll show you guys the final results, but I'm really loving how it's looking so far. It's kind of hard to really tell right here in this direct lighting, but I'm sure you can already tell I'm looking way more tan. Obviously, because like my face now looks even more pale, so I'm gonna take off my makeup and probably do the spray as well. But I think while I wait for this to dry, I'm gonna do some chores and probably chill and relax, and I'm gonna have to stay up a little bit late.
it goes. It's hard to move on when you hold my clothes. Picture you, baby, with somebody else. It's killing me softly. I can't help myself. Maybe I just need somebody else tonight. Girl, I know I shouldn't even care. God, I hate how much you think about it.
Alright, so I was going to sit on my bed and like read and do some work while I wait for the self-tan to develop before I can wash it off, because I have now started rereading the second Court of Thorn and Roses series book, Court of Mist and Fury. I'm about like almost at page 200. So I was going to read, and I might end up reading a bit later, but one of my friends just let me know that the Friends reunion just got released. So, hello, I'm watching that. If you've been around here for a while, you know I like, Friends was my comfort show, and like, I put it on all the time while I was cooking and eating dinner. It was Gossip Girl, now it's Gilmore Girls, but they took both Friends and Gossip Girl off Netflix, so that's why it's Gilmore Girls right now. But anyways, we're gonna watch the Friends reunion while this chills, because I was gonna watch that anyways. I didn't realize it came out today. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So I quickly signed up for a free trial of Crave so I can watch the Friends reunion, but yeah, I have a feeling I'm gonna be rewatching this with my mom on the weekend, but it's okay. I'm okay with watching it twice. That's how much I love it. It's literally almost 2 hours. I'm excited. That's my mom saying that, like, yes, we're watching it.
Smell of that perfume you used to wear. Girl, I hate how much you think about it still. Girl, I know I shouldn't care. Girl, I hate.
Alright, so I took my makeup off, I put the face tan mist on, and then I also washed off all of the tan. It turned out so good. But I am gonna read for a little bit and then head to bed because it's getting quite late. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. Hopefully I will see you in the next one, and I love you guys so much. Bye!
Think about it still.